Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Say, tell, speak, and talk. These are the words that are really confusing. We don't know when to use say, when to use tell, when to use speak, and when to use talk. So, in this particular video, I will tell you how you can possibly perfectly use say, tell, speak, and talk. So let's make it simple for you with the help of this written description. I am Muhammad Arsalan and you are watching your own grammar channel, Grammar A to Z. So let's start. Say. The word say refers to the action. Remember, refers to the action of using words to convey, to transfer some instruction, some information, opinions, or some thoughts. Example, she said to me, I would give you my car. She said to me. That is the information which is conveyed by using the word said. Say hello to Arsalan for me. Speak the words hello to Arsalan. That is, we use say to convey action. In order to memorize the concept, how do you say? Just remember this thing. Say plus preposition to plus someone. Say, because say is the irregular verb. Say, said, said. The past form, said. And past participle form, also said. She said to someone, me. That is the structure to remember how to use say. The next thing is tell. The word tell refers to giving some kind of instruction or information to someone. That is the difference between say and tell. Here, action, and here, someone. Remember, here we refers to action and tell refer to someone specific in speech or writing. Whether we are writing something or whether we are talking something, it is used as verb. Tell Arsalan I said hello. Give this information or this message to Arsalan, to someone. Tell is used to give information to other, to someone. And what is the concept of remembering tell? Tell plus someone. Tell plus someone. There is no need to put preposition. So let's move to the speak. Speak is also irregular verb. Before embarking on speak, I must say speak and talk are synonymous. They both have same meaning. So what's the difference between speak and talk? That is the difference. Speak usually focus on the person who is producing the words. The person who is uttering the words, that is our topic of concern. That is more important to us. He spoke. He spoke about the importance of reading books. He spoke. He spoke about the importance. What is the importance of books? He told me about the importance of the books. So when do you speak? Speak is used in a formal way. When we use the word speak, we use in a formal way. For example, when we are in office, in a business meeting, we use the word speak. Sound serious. Something serious. More professional. Speak is more professional than talk. Example, can I speak to you? Can I speak to you? And speak is also used for languages. For example, how many languages you can speak? How many languages can you speak? Example, they speak Arabic. They speak Arabic. Used for languages. You didn't say they talk Arabic. They talk English. That is not correct. Talk. Talk focuses on a speaker, the person who utters the word, the person who speaks, and at least one listener. Ultimately, no one talk lonely, no one talk to himself. That is the real thing. Many people talk, but in the brain. Many people think, many people talk to oneself, to themselves, but in their brain. So somehow, talk is the word. that focuses on the speaker and at least one listener and can mean have a conversation. Have a conversation. And conversation involves at least two persons. One man cannot conversate with one. So somehow we need two at least for the conversation. Example. Talk is, before embarking on the example, talk is informal and speak is formal. I hope, that is the example of talk. I hope I can meet you to talk about my plans for the business. Here, can I talk to you? But somehow, can I talk to you is informal and can I speak to you, that is formal way. So the recap of the lecture: say normally shows the action, tell shows someone, speak is a formal way, and talk is informal way of. But somehow the concept of say is say plus two preposition plus someone, tell plus someone, speak formal, sound serious, more professional way of talking, talk focus on speaker and at least one listener, and speak only focuses on the person who is uttering the words. That's all for today. So nice of you. If you are here the very first time, please subscribe my channel and do share with your friends.